Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Riana Novita Dewi and here I'm with my friend.
My name is Safina Rafa.
And today I would like to interpret what Safina Rafa will be saying about Lawang Sewu.
Okay, I will start. Bila Anda berkunjung ke kota Semarang, pastikan tidak melewatkan bangunan bersejarah yang satu ini, Lawang Sewu. Bangunan peninggalan Belanda yang tampak megah di pusat kota Semarang ini sangat ikonik dan terkenal di Semarang.
If you visit Semarang, you have to make sure that you visit the historical place here called as Lawang Sewu. This Dutch heritage building is very majestic that is located in the center of Semarang city.
Bangunan ini disebut Lawang Sewu karena arsitekturnya menyertakan pintu dan jendela-jendela berukuran besar yang banyak jumlahnya.
This building is called as Lawang Sewu because of the architecture that provides or includes a lot of doors, a lot of big doors and also windows.
Kenyataannya, pintu yang ada tidak sampai 1.000. Bangunan ini memiliki banyak jendela tinggi dan lebar, sehingga masyarakat sering menganggapnya sebagai pintu.
However, in fact, the amount of doors here do not reach 1,000. And here, there are a lot of tall and wide windows. That makes some people think those windows are also doors.
Bila Anda ingin menghitungnya dengan tepat, maka hanya terdapat 600 daun pintu di sana.
If you want to count it in the exact number, you will only get 600 number of doors there.
Bangunan tua ini pernah menjadi saksi bisu peristiwa sejarah pertempuran 5 hari di Semarang.
This old building has become the dumb witness of the historical event that happened in Semarang called as 5 Days Battle in Semarang.
Ketika Jepang menguasai Semarang di tahun 1940-an, gedung megah ini diubah fungsinya menjadi tempat peristirahatan tentara Jepang. Sedangkan di ruangan bawah tanah digunakan untuk tempat pembantaian penduduk pribumi, pemuda Indonesia, dan tentara Belanda.
When Japan took its power in Indonesia, in Semarang in 1940s, this building, the function of this building has been changed to become the place for the Japan soldiers to take rest. Meanwhile, in the basement, it was functioned as the place to slaughter natives and youth of Indonesia and also Dutch soldiers.
Karena nilai sejarah inilah, pemerintah lokal memasukkan bangunan tua tersebut sebagai salah satu bangunan bersejarah di Semarang yang harus dilindungi. Bangunan Lawang Sewu telah selesai dipugar dan direvitalisasi pada tahun 2011 lalu.
Because of this historical values, the local government take this building as one of the historical building that has to be protected. And this building has been repaired and revitalized in 2011.
Memang sampai saat ini bangunan Lawang Sewu sangat terkenal keangkerannya. Bahkan di sini sempat dijadikan tempat uji nyali dalam acara televisi yang diadakan oleh stasiun televisi swasta di Indonesia.
That's right. That up to now, this building is well known as because of its eeriness, and that building was used as the place to test someone's guts in the television shows held by the private television station in Indonesia.
Tapi walau begitu, sebagai ikon kota Semarang, pemerintah kota Semarang ingin menghilangkan kesan mistik gedung antik ini.
Even though, because this building is the icon of Semarang city, the local government wanted to omit this mystical image of this antique building.
Karenanya, banyak event besar yang diselenggarakan di Lawang Sewu, mulai dari fashion show, penyuluhan, dan banyak lagi kegiatan lain demi memperlihatkan bahwa Lawang Sewu sebagai bangunan bersejarah dengan arsitektur mengagumkan daripada gedung dengan misteri yang sangat kental.
Because of that, there are many events held in Lawang Sewu. Start from fashion show, counseling, and many other events to show to the people that Lawang Sewu is the historical places with amazing architecture instead of building with variety of mystery.
Di Lawang Sewu Semarang juga terdapat gedung lain dengan ukuran lebih kecil yang difungsikan sebagai museum kereta api. Saat memasuki gedung ini, Anda dapat membaca tulisan mengenai sejarah bangunan Lawang Sewu.
In the Lawang Sewu in Semarang, there is another building which is smaller. And this building is for the railway museum. And if you enter this building, you can read writings of the history of Lawang Sewu.
Gedung ini memiliki beberapa ruangan. Ruangan utama gedung dijadikan sebagai tempat untuk memamerkan sejumlah foto berukuran besar serta peralatan untuk mengatur jalur kereta api di masa Belanda.
In Lawang Sewu, there are some rooms, and the main room here is used to display a number of big photos and also equipments for managing the railroad in the Dutch era.
Selain bangunan gedung, Anda juga bisa menikmati keindahan taman yang bersih dan sejuk di sekitaran area bangunan. Anda akan disuguhi pohon-pohon rindang dan tata letak tanaman yang rapi.
Besides the building itself, you can also enjoy the clean and cool garden, and you will be treated as well by shady trees and also the garden.
Rp10.000 untuk orang dewasa dan Rp5.000 untuk anak-anak serta pelajar merupakan harga yang terjangkau untuk memasuki objek wisata sejarah yang penuh misteri ini.
10,000 rupiah for adults and 5,000 rupiah for children and also students are very affordable price to enter this mysterious historical building in Semarang. Okay,
That's all.
that's all that I can interpret from Sabina Rafa. Thank you for watching.